Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Okay, you guys, I gave in. The Simple Stories mystery box sucked me in and I had to buy one. If you know Simple Stories, you know it's packed with awesome stuff. So let's crack this box open and see what surprises that we got inside. Now, I picked this mystery box up at a cherry on top, and I will leave an affiliate link listed down below in the description box. All right, I've sorted these by collections to make this a little easier, and this first collection that I received is The Simple Things. I love this collection. It's gorgeous. I do own some of this collection already, so this is going to be nice to supplement my collection. So I have the chipboard stickers, and then I received the floral bits. There's 34 floral bits inside here. I received the washi tape. It looks like there's 5 rolls on here. It says there's 75 feet. And then I also received the lemon stencil. I might have this one already. I'm not sure. But either way, that's a good collection. All right, the next collection I received is the Simple Vintage Essentials. And this is the botanical bits. And I love this black and white floral. I don't have any of this collection, so I'm really excited to see these pieces. This is the Simple Vintage Essentials chipboard clipboards. Those are really cute. I'm definitely going to be using those. And then I received the Simple Vintage Essentials sticker book. So this is really nice. All these black and white stickers. We've got some titles and just little wordy bits. I like this a lot. It says there's 1,300 stickers in there, so wow. And then I received the foam stickers, type keys, and this is neat because there's black stickers on one side and then white on the other, and it looks like there's all of the alphabet and the numbers. So I think this is a really good find in my box. The next collection that I received pieces of are the Simple Vintage Linen Market. I don't think I have any of this collection, and I really like this. So I have the floral bits, and then this right here is the layered chipboard. So there's 5 self-adhesive layered chipboard pieces there. This is layered bits. So these are going to be really nice. I like these, and it's something different. I don't know that I would have purchased this collection. It's kind of gardeny maybe, but I think it's cute, and I definitely think that I will use bits and pieces out of here. This is the ephemera pack. There's 18 pieces in here. There's larger ephemera pieces. And then I received the chipboard frames. These are really pretty. This is something that I don't usually pick up in a collection, but I'm excited to try to work those into a layout. And then I received the 6x8 paper pad. So this is that linen market, and this is really, really pretty paper. Very usable. I know I will get use out of this. So I'm really happy with this Simple Vintage Linen Market collection. I'm just kind of flipping through here so you can see all the papers. Ooh, I really liked that one. It looks kind of like a bandana, and I like that one too. I'll always use yellow because that's my daughter's school color, so that's really, really pretty. All right, the next collection that I received, lots of pieces, is the Acorn Lane, and I'm really excited about this one. So I have the floral bits. It says there's 60 pieces in here. So this is great for fall. I do think I have a little bit of the Acorn Lane, maybe the papers. This is the journal bits. So this is going to be really nice to supplement the collection that I have. I got the Acorn Lane Simple Pages. These are like big ephemera pieces. I really, really like that. Then the next thing here is the Acorn Stencil, or it's called Acorn Love, and I don't have this, so I really like that. I have the chipboard stickers. There's 22 stickers on here. So those are really cute. And then I also received the paper pad, and I love this. So we've got Stay Cozy here, sweater weather. Really, I'm just going to flip through here really quick so you can see some of these. Oh my gosh, look, there's a little kitty cat on there. I love that one. I'm definitely using that. I love this. So this was a really good find in my box. Here's some more of these papers, and it says there's 24 double-sided sheets, including 4 designer prints and 2 3x4 greeting card element sheets. Okay. Then the next thing that I received is a couple pieces from the Cider and Donuts collection, and I have quite a bit of the Cider and Donuts collection. I think it was the fall collection from last year, but I received the big bits, which I really like those. And then I also received the sticker book. Now, I don't own any Simple Stories sticker books, so let me kind of tear this open so we can look at this together. It says on the packaging that there's 12 sheets and there's 226 stickers. So let's take a look. So flipping through here, the first thing I notice is that the stickers, they're very thin. I might have to back these with some cardstock, but I love the sticker images. These are really cute. Let me flip through here. I know I like this circle one. Wow, that's going to be nice. I like that. And then, ooh, I really love this. So this is like some little wordy bits with some little like stitching lines. Then we've got all kinds of really nice stickers. So that's a really good find in this box also. There's some big titles here and also some border stickers, some pumpkins and leaves. This is a really pretty collection. And I do think I have some of this paper, so I'm excited about that. All right, the next pile that I have here are like bits and pieces just from multiple collections. So I received a stamp set, and this is the Happy Kids stamp. I don't have this. I don't know that I would ever use this. It is cute. And then I received this sheet of rub-ons from the What's Cooking collection. It says there's 2 sheets of rub-ons. And then I have the Simple Vintage Spring Garden Floral Bits. There's 43 pieces in here. Those are really pretty. I can always use floral bits. Then I have the Simple Vintage Spring Garden Frames. Oh, wait, both of these are Spring Garden. So I guess I have 2 of these. Another collection, 2 items from this collection. So those are cute frames. And then this is Simple Vintage Meadow Flowers chipboard frames. Okay, so that's all like the ephemera pieces. Then I also received some paper packs. So let's take a look at those. This one is a full collection. So this is the St. Patrick's Day collection. And there's some rainbows in here and some shamrocks. Then I also have the full sticker sheet. So I like this. There's 78 pieces, it says. And let me just flip through here and make sure it's a full collection. And yep, that is a full collection. So that's a really good find. And then the next item I have here is another, this was sealed all together, but I think these are mismatched. So on top, I have the Simple Vintage Meadow Flower sticker sheet, that's great because I had some of that collection in here. Then I have several papers from the Little Things. So this is that Little Things collection, which is also good because I have several bits and pieces from that collection in my box. So that'll be nice. Ooh, here's a Cider and Donuts paper. I really like that. And then another paper from the Little Things. Okay, and then I have one more paper pack that came, and this is called Happy New Year, and I think this might be a complete kit. So it has the full sticker sheet on top. I don't remember seeing this collection before, but I really love the colors in here. I like that cute little lips sticker. There's quite a few lip stickers on here. Those are cute, and I like the wordy bits. And this paper would not only be cute for New Year's, but I think I could use this for birthdays too. That's really cute. And it looks like I got 2 of each of these pattern papers. And yeah, this is a whole kit. So that's a good find too. So overall, I think this was a great mystery box. So if you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Be on the lookout because I have another mystery box to unbox with you soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!